So the third beat of this chapter is very vital for you to understand. That is hierarchy of living organisms or hierarchy of classifications. First of all, you have to understand the etymological or the word meaning of the word that is hierarchy. You all have learned in history, Mughals came into India, Akbar, Birbal, all the kings' name you are quite acquainted with. What hierarchy actually means is this sequential succession of the kings in one family. Like Babur was the first, then Humayun came, then Akbar came. So this is all about the sequence. In biological system also, you are going to have system or hierarchy. Hierarchy is that step. Okay, you climb staircase, similar is hierarchy. First step, second step, third step, and finally you are going up. I'm clear? So, hierarchy of living organization was for the first time the concern of three very important biologists of contemporary era, that is Ernst Haeckel, Robert Whittaker, and Carl Woese. So you can see the year differences. First, Ernst Haeckel in 1894 made the classification of living system. He made three kingdom classification. He concluded that all the living organisms around us can be categorized into three groups. After him, Robert Whittaker came. He found that there was some mistake, there was some ambiguity in that classification. So he made four kingdom classification, except that of animals and plants. Finally came Carl Woese in the year 1977, who made five kingdom classifications. Five kingdom. Here the word kingdom is not really the historical or the geographical or the political kingdom you are concerned with. No. Here kingdom means the classes, the broad categories of organisms divided into five kingdoms. Plants, animals, everything came under this five kingdoms. So it is said that the five kingdom classification is the contribution of these three scientists. Okay, what are the five kingdoms? We are going to learn just now. Before that, I would like to give you one trick. One trick is about how hierarchy is made. See, when you are going to learn about the diversity of living organisms, you are going to have the steps. As I said you, first step, second step, third step, and finally into the last step. As I have shown you this frog previously, this frog is only one organism. It is not that only frog comes under one kingdom. No. If I say animal kingdom, it's having huge number of divisions under them. So what is that hierarchical basis is what am I going to tell you now. See, I have given you a trick. Keep pot clean, otherwise family gets sick. Okay. So just concentrate on the first terms of this word. First alphabets. K. Keep, we are taking the alphabet K and we are getting kingdom. Okay. This is the biological hierarchy of the entire living organisms that you are going to experience or you are experiencing in your day-to-day life. The first staircase that you are going to climb is species. After species it is genus, then family, order, class, phylum, division for plants, phylum for animals, and last is kingdom. So this is the hierarchy of the biological system. For you to remember nicely, I am giving you this trick. Keep pot clean, otherwise family gets sick. This is the reason for which I am giving you this trick. After Whittaker and Haeckel has made this list of the classes for which this made hierarchy is concerned, we are getting five kingdoms. Five kingdoms are These are the 5 kingdoms which were made by these 3 extraordinarily intelligent scientists, and these were Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So entire organisms who are seen to be living around you are one or the other being classified into this 5 kingdoms. And as I have already told you this hierarchy, you can understand that kingdom is the largest class, that is the largest way of dividing. After kingdom you are going to get phylum, and this way you are going to climb that, and that's why I mark the arrow like this, that this is the lowest one, species, and this is the highest one. So in this chapter we are only concerned with the highest one, that is kingdom, these 5 kingdoms. Among them, in these 2 kingdoms, we are going to learn about the phylums, not less than phylums. As you go in your higher classes, you are going to have class, order, family, genus and species. So this completes your 3rd bit. We will now go to the next part with all the kingdoms being discussed.